And again, I want to be very clear about a couple of things that distinguishes permaculture, which is it is not biocentric. We're not trying to save the world for the world's sake. We're trying to save our own asses. This is anthropocentric. I love the earth, I love all kinds of diverse life, but I'm not going to pretend that saving a tree is more important to me than saving my life, because it's not. And what I am going to offer is a viewpoint that comes from permaculture, which is we're not interested in Rousseauian romanticization of the past. In other words, we're not going to glorify hunter-gatherer lifestyles. We're not going to glorify anything about how we were doing things pre-industrial era. But we are going to glean relevant information from those periods towards how do we design ourselves out of our present predicament. So it's not biocentric, it's anthropocentric. It's not Rousseauian romanticization of the past. It's combining modern fossil fuel and nuclear power technologies to create ecologically intelligent landscapes. Permaculture would like to do things with people power and at a grassroots level, but if we're implementing a design that's over a huge amount of area, we may not have the opportunity to do it with anything other than laser surveys, bulldozers, and other high-powered equipment, and we're not at all uncomfortable with doing that. Permaculture designers are definitely going to be comfortable with using fossil fuels, using dynamite, using blasting equipment, using backhoes, all kinds of things that have to do with the idea. And this is what's difficult for us to grasp when we're in this kind of hands-off conservationism, less bad modality of our present mindset of how to be ecological. And it's one of the things as permaculture designers we work in nudging people to get into actually creating the landscape that you'd like to see happen on the earth. Because if you don't get out and actually create it, it's not going to happen.